So how to fix Instagram bio link. Hello guys, in this video I'm gonna show you how to fix any problem you have with the bio link on your Instagram. So we have one way that it's gonna be working for you 100%. So all what you have to do is very simple. Just go to the settings on your phone and then go to this wireless and networks option. Now click on the airplane mode and enable it like this and wait a few seconds and then disable it. After that, do the same thing with the Wi-Fi, just enable it, disable it again and enable it. Go back, go to the apps manager and then go to the apps, go to Instagram and click here on force stop. And then check if all the data usage are enabled. And now restart your phone and the problem must be solved. Don't forget to like, subscribe.